Hey guys, just gonna make a quick video here for this lesson on stocks. It's 8.6 in the book, and you can see here some information from a stock given. In fact, it's a Disney stock. It's old information back when, when this book was written. Either way, you could still use it to answer these prompts. Use the stock table for Disney to answer the following questions. What were the high and low prices for the past 52 weeks? And you could see what those are. The high, $42.38, 52-week high, and the 52-week low here, $22.50. If you own 300 shares of Disney stock last year, what dividend did you receive? And you can see the dividend here is 21 cents per share. So 21 cents times 3,000 is $630 dividend check. What's the annual return for dividends alone? How does this compare to a bank account offering a 1% interest rate? So you can see the yield. The annual return for dividends is the yield. It's here. Yield percent is 0.6. So it is less than the 1%. However, if the stock price goes up, the stock could be better. How many shares of Disney were traded yesterday? And you can see that in the volume. It's in hundreds though, so it says 115,900, but that's given in hundreds, so I'd have to actually add 2 zeros to that to come to 11,590,000. Again, how many shares is the volume that was traded yesterday? And it's given in hundreds, so you need to add 2 zeros to that, so 11,590,000. High and low prices for yesterday are given here, right? Your 52-week high and low is there. And your daily high and low is here. So you can see yesterday's high is 32.50, yesterday's low is 31.25. What was the price at which Disney shares traded when the stock exchange closed yesterday? Well, you look at the closing price, again, 32.50, same as the high. What does ... in the net change column mean? So just kind of defining that, ... means there was no change in stock price from 2 days ago. Again, if you look in the net change column, ... it means there was no change to the stock price from 2 days ago. And then we have compute Disney's annual earnings per share using the formula. So annual earnings per share, and we can kind of you can see here the price to earnings, the PE, the price to earnings ratio, is yesterday's closing price per share divided by the annual earnings per share. And they actually give us the PE, the price to earnings ratio, 43. So you can kind of take this formula and manipulate it to get the annual earnings per share. And you can see its annual earnings per share is going to be yesterday's closing price. If we could zoom in and see that, it's going to be yesterday's closing price divided by the PE, the price to earnings ratio. So again, annual earnings per share is yesterday's closing price divided by the PE, price to earnings ratio. And if you do that, you see it's 76 cents. So the price of the stock is $32.50, which is 43 times greater than the earnings per share, which is 76 cents. So hopefully this helps. Again, thanks for having a look, and use this to get through the problems for today.